Oops, did you hit send on a DocuSign and then realize a little detail is off? Don't worry, correcting it is simpler than you think. First, log into your DocuSign account, locate the document you need to correct in your dashboard, or Sent Items. You'll typically see it listed with its current status. Click on the document to open its details. On the document details page, look for an option to make corrections. This might be labeled as correct, edit and resend, or something similar. Click on this option. DocuSign will now reopen the document for you to edit. You'll be able to navigate through the document and see all the fields you or the recipient filled out. Find the specific field or fields that contain the incorrect information. Click on the incorrect field. A cursor will appear, allowing you to delete the wrong information and type in the accurate details. Make sure to double-check every correction you make to ensure everything is perfect. Continue correcting any other fields that need attention once you've gone through and fixed all the necessary details. Proceed to the end of the document. At the end, you'll be prompted to send the corrected document. Click the Send or Finish button to reissue the document with your updated information. And that's it. You've successfully corrected your details on a Sent DocuSign. This ensures your data remains accurate and professional. Even after you've initially sent it, keep those documents pristine.